Hello and welcome to my qualitative research review. I'm Emerson Garcia and I am going to show you the qualitative methodology used in the article Language Input, Learning Environment, and Motivation of a Successful EFL Learner, published this year on the Journal on English as a Foreign Language by 3 specialists in education from Indonesia. The present study involved one EFL learner in Indonesia who was regarded as successful not only of understanding second language acquisition theories, but also of demonstrating exceptional language skills and got an outstanding score in TOEFL test. So, researchers wanted to investigate the main factors that led her to a successful English language learning. In the first section, the authors present the state of the art, where they relate their inquiry with the stated theories about the 3 main topics: input, environment, and motivation in the English learning process. The method used for this qualitative research was case study, providing an in-depth look at one test subject, which in this case was a successful English learner. Regarding the instrument, the data were gathered through a semi-structured interview that comprised 4 sections: personal information, availability of the participants' English inputs, description of the learning environment, and motivation. Data collection was made through an audio recording, ensuring privacy and security for the student interviewed. Data analysis included first the transliteration into written data through a transcription process, then researchers used a decoding process, presented a discussion, and finally they draw a conclusion. Afterwards, the qualitative report delineates the findings on the 3 research questions and discusses the finding concerning relevant literature. The results indicated that joining an intensive class and integrating English in her daily activities primarily contributed to her language skill improvement, while the physical environment slightly provided a conducive environment for learning English. Her academic environment was steadily supporting her. In addition to the importance of English in her future to get a good job, the participant was successful in keeping her motivation to learn the language by desiring to impress the teacher and obtaining the best remarks in English classes. Finally, a conclusion was drawn by the authors, where they considered that this study provides a practical contribution as an alternative model for other EFL learners who are willing to enhance their English skills. This study also provides a clear understanding of how EFL teachers should encourage their students to be successful EFL learners. These findings could contribute to a better understanding of how Indonesian EFL learners successfully acquire a foreign language. Thank you for watching.